Sahil, I given. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhavya join cheste intimate. Right. Now, what I did, I taken triangle. Base, height, same height, same height, same height. If you join, see, two identical faces in the no triangle, no triangle. All generators are parallel to each other.
Sir,
You
Bhavya
see,
joined, sir.
Bhavya joined up. Okay, ma. Okay. Bhavya permitted, amma. Right. So, idea vachinda. Simple, amma. But with respect to axis, no. This object is, now I want to know what is the difference between mass and weight, amma? This is triangular prism. This is prism. I am not drawing all figures. I am taking one example. I will draw one because anyhow we are drawing so many figures. So again, this backside portion is not visible. This is apex sum. This. Understand? Only one base, and this is called apex. Top face, bottom face. You may call it as base also. I can keep this. This is resting. It may be base. It may be top face. Let's This is top face. It is bottom face. Bottom is the always base. Next, these all are generators. And this is called vertical face. Getting my point? Here, apex. This you call base or bottom face. Because one face only we have. Next, these all are. This only, here only I will write. Again, why I have to write separately. These all are generators. This is axis. Jagratam. It is also axis. Can you understand? What is the difference of figure? It is also triangular shape. It is also triangular shape. Agree? Getting my point? Anyone? It may be triangle. It may be square. It may be pentagon. It may be hexagon. It may be tetragon. It may be octagon. I'm not bothered. I bothered about the particular. What is the bottom face? Top face is same. All generator with same height. I will join. Finish. I will get appropriate shape. If it is a pyramid, only one face. And all apex is fixed round axis line. I will join all generator towards apex. And this inclination, these inclinations are different. Agree? As per our statement. As per our statement.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Mind. Okay. Now I asked one more question before that. What do you mean by mass and weight? Understand? Can I balance this pencil at center? Pencil unda? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I balance this pencil centrally?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Later,
Yes,
don't
sir.
U-turn. I will keep this pencil. Can I balance this pen centrally? Can I balance this centrally? Can I balance this rubber centrally?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Eraser, yes,
Better
sir. Pencil and pen, no, sir.
Why, Amma? Why? Why?
Its length is increasing, no, sir.
Question is not a length, Amma. Question is not a length. Question is not a length.
Balance, sir.
It doesn't balance properly, sir, as weight is increasing.
Why? 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 Out of these four components, where we have highest probability to balance centrally?
Eraser, sir.
Huh?
Eraser, sir.
Eraser.
Eraser, most highest probability. Why, Amma? There also less probability.
It's
This
based.
side I use means it is weared out. Agree? Yeah? Agree? Yeah? Now we have more probability. Which one is having highest probability to balance, Amma? Exact probability to balance.
Eraser.
I kept a product in front of you. Yes, highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Fourth one.
Fourth one now.
Eraser, sir.
No, Amma. No. Also cannot be balanced perfectly. But what is the problem, Amma? Why we are getting doubts? Think చేయాలమ్మా ఇది engineering అమ్మా. Engineering is artistic knowledge. Looking into figure, because nowadays people are hunting for talented students. Talent is such a property which has to be exhibited instantly. Looking into matter, you are able to understand, analyze, and present it. Anyone? Okay. What is the different meaning of mass and weight, Amma? Mass and weight. Definition of mass. Any difference or no difference? Science చదివారా? Physics study చేశారా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then why you are getting doubts, Amma? Not asked any big question. I asked definition of mass and weight. Both are same or differ?
Difference, sir.
What difference?
Weight is mass with gravity.
Weight is? Weight is? Weight is?
Gravitational force acting on the mass.
What do you mean by gravity, Amma? What do you mean by gravity? What do you mean by gravity? Sarita, Tana Baliulala. What do you mean by gravity? What do you mean by gravity? Great. Newton's, how you here understand gravity, Amma?
Downward force of Earth.
Oh, downward force. నాకు అర్థం కాలేదురా ఇప్పటివరకు పండుకున్నావా? ఇప్పటివరకు ఏం అడిగాను రా? న్యూటన్ స్పేర్ తీసుకొస్తే ఫ్లాష్ అయిపోయిందా? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ డౌన్వర్డ్ ఫోర్స్? Yes.
Gravitational force.
What is that gravitational force, Amma? What it is doing?
The ability of Earth to pull objects towards
Attracting the
itself.
body towards center of the earth.
It attracts the body towards center of the earth. You do one thing. You take one stone, go outside, throw it upward direction. After certain distance it reach, it will come down with same speed or with high speed.
High speed.
High
Why?
speed, sir.
Why, Amma?
The
You
earth
told
is
with same.
pulling the
Gravitational
stone
force.
towards the surface of
You
Earth.
know that what is the value of G? G is equal to 9.81.
9.8. Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now remember, same human being when he goes to, why we are static, Amma? Due to gravity only. When we will go to moon, what will happen? What will happen? Moon, our satellites. What will happen? Our body will become same or different? Weightless, floating body. Can you observe? TV choose column. Certain things will guide us. Our body, gravity is not existing in moon. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So we are,
sir.
we are dynamic entities. Jagratam. Always remember, mass without gravity,
Yes.
weight with gravity. Chappal na amma. Chinna chinna questions amma. If you won't answer these things, then how we will get encouragement to teach? I am not talking anything which is irrelevant for you. Now, why I am talking about mass and weight? Can anyone correlate these examples? Now correlate.
Mass is same everywhere, but weight differs.
Mass should be equally distributed. In pen, you observed. Mass distribution is uneven. Agree? Here, mass is more. Agree? Cap. Mass is more or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No. It cannot be balanced centrally. Pencil. Here, some mass is removed. It cannot be balanced centrally. Here also it is removed. It cannot be balanced. Here we reuse. So due to that, some portion is rubbed. It cannot be balanced centrally. But this sharpener cover is balanced centrally. Why? Mass distribution is even. Jagrata Mamma. One thing remember. In triangle, mass distribution is even or uneven? In triangle, mass distribution is even or uneven? Even or uneven? Even or uneven? Uneven, Amma. In triangle, more mass is towards this face, less mass is towards apex. Agree? This is the only I'm talking about this bottom face. You take this top face, any face, you see more mass is towards this side, but less mass is towards this Jagratam. It is unbalanced. Regarding square, square,
Even.
even. Regarding pentagon, pentagon,
Even.
no, pentagon is an uneven mass distribution. Pentagon is uneven mass distribution. Hexagon, hexagon,
Hexagon is even.
hexagon, hexagon,
Even, sir.
even mass distribution. Cylinder, cylinder,
Even.
And
Even.
cone, even. Means what we concluded? Among two components, one is a triangle, another is a pentagon, where mass distribution is uneven. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಜಾಗ್ರತಂ చూసుకోవాలమ్మ. In annual exam, majority problems are pentagon, pentagon, hexagon, cylinder. No one will ask question about triangle and square because simplest element. Yes, triangle is an uneven mass distribution. That I will explain how to get that balancing. All those things will come, but in general context we are talking because whenever solid word comes, mass comes into picture. You know about that? One dimension, only length. Agree? Two dimensional. We have, for example, meter. It is area. Agree? What is the unit of area? Unit of area. Unit of area.
Centimeter square or meter square.
Meter square.
Or it may be meter square. 3D means volume. Agree? 3D
Yes,
means
sir.
volume. What is the unit?
Meter cube.
Meter cube. Jagratam. We are talking about volume. We are not talking about area. Area always length into height. Length into breadth. But now we are talking length into height into breadth. Volume is most important entity. It is meter cube. So mass distribution will play. It has to be balanced properly. For example, this is straight path. Vehicle is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. Vehicle is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. After that, there is a small curvature. What will happen, Amma? What will happen? Can you move in a
It will
same speed?
slow down. No.
Now, why you slow down, Amma? I told that rider is same, bike is same, speed is same, everything is same. Why you slow down? I asked you to slow down. Anyone? Any answer? Who insisted you to slow down? Can you tell me genuine reason? What is the only? It is a curvature. Yes. Think. I will take attendance. Think. Tell me answer. If you answer that, so you answered everything. Yes, anyone? Sapanamma, why you have to slow down? Achha, what is the meaning of LHS is equal to RHS? Studied,
Left hand side is equal
Both
to
are
right hand
equal.
side.
Both are equal. Very good, Ra. What is the purpose, Amma? Why we will use? How we will justify this equation? How we will justify this equation?
Even if we change a equation with some procedure, left hand side will be equals to right hand side.
Take RHS, get LHS, or take LHS, get RHS. Agree? Take any one side, prove other side. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Chemistry chadivara.
Yes, sir.
Chemistry. In chemistry, you will write some equation. This side some equation, this side. What you will do, Amma?
Balancing.
Oh, balance. So why you balance it, Amma? Why you have to balance it? Can you walk on roof? Can you walk on roof? Roof thread. Can you observe at any time? What you will do? Drama chusara, movies degara. Some people are moving in a rope. Okay. What is this, Amma? When you are moving in a straight path, you can maintain the speed. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Agree? Right side is equal to left side. This condition is called equilibrium state. This condition is called,
Equilibrium state.
you know, you heard these words, huh?
Yes, sir.
When I will talk very unparliamentary word. My intention is that these things already you have to understand.
Sir, at curves, the weight is tilted towards one side, sir. So,
That's why I'm not telling that here. Whenever I used this word, I used in skidding. Can you remember? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember when I talked about skidding dynamic properties, cycloidal curve? Idea
Yes, sir.
undamma. Jagratamamma. I taught again, I am recalling. Now I am talking with respect to mass distribution. When you are taking the turn, always you observe, if it is a four-wheeler, inside will cover more distance or outside will cover more distance, amma?
Outside.
These things you have to remember. Time is over. I will wind up my session. When I will join next time, you have to tell me we are at this point only. It is your duty, amma. I won't remember, amma. I don't know because I am wasting the time or not. Because I want to know this is the point you have to justify. Whoever joined, Bhavya, Sahil, na Chappalama. Sir, we are at skidding. So then from here only I will start. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, Amma.
Okay.
See you. Bye. Already it is 2 minutes late. I not observed. Whose class it is?
Maths, sir. OD.
Okay, చెప్పండి. Sir మర్చిపోయారు అంటాడు. Right. Bye.